Are you ready to turn your ideas into stunning videos and images with just a few clicks? Today, we're exploring Polo AI, an all-in-one platform that makes content creation faster, easier, and more creative than ever. From text to video to image transformations, Polo AI has everything you need to bring your imagination to life. Let's get started. Whether you start with text, an image, or even an existing video, Polo AI transforms it into professional content instantly. With text to video, type your idea and watch it come alive as a cinematic animation. Use image to video to bring still photos to life with smooth AI-powered motion. Need consistency? Polo AI keeps your characters and styles uniform across frames and videos. Want something fresh? Explore 150 plus effects to enhance your content, from stylized looks to full video transformations. And if you're working with images, you can generate stunning art, apply unique filters, or transform one picture into another instantly. Want to add a sweet kiss for your loved one or bulk up with AI muscles? Want to turn your photos into Ghibli-style art or snap a selfie with celebrities? No problem. With over 150 video and photo effects, bring your vision to life. Try Polo AI video and image tools to streamline your creation with AI. Upscale, enhance, edit your visuals, or generate specialized AI images and videos for your creative projects. The link to the website is already in the description. Just click it, sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook account, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a beautiful and easy-to-use interface that makes creating with AI simple and fun. Here is the main dashboard. At the top, you'll find its key features: generate AI video, generate AI image, generate AI avatar, and generate AI effects. Just below, you can see the trending AI tools like LeapSync, AI Upscaler, AI Baby Podcast, and more. Next, it shows different categories such as action moments, commercial, fun, social media, and game. On the left panel, you'll find quick access to home, explore projects, AI video, AI image, AI avatar, pro effects, fun effects, photo effects, AI tools, app, and even options to download the app or use the API. From here, you can start a new project, and there are two modes available: Easy mode and Canvas mode. Now let's try out the AI video generate feature. Click on Generate AI video. The first step is to choose a model. Polo.ai offers multiple models, and for this demo, I'll select Polo 1.6. Now, let's upload the image we want to convert into a video. Once the image is uploaded, the system will ask for an aspect ratio. I'll select 9:16. You can also add an end frame if you'd like. Next, it's time to enter a prompt for the video. You can either write your own or let the AI generate one. For this demo, I'll enter my own prompt. Then, you'll need to choose between basic mode and pro mode. I'll go with pro. There's also an option to generate audio by describing the sound effects you want. After that, select your video length. I'll keep it at 5 seconds. Next, choose the video output number. I'll select one. For resolution, I'll go with 1080p. You'll also see the seed option, which is a unique numerical value used to stylize your video output. Finally, you can enable public visibility or copy protection. Once everything is set, click on Create and Polo AI will start generating your video. After a few minutes, it's ready. Let's play the video. The results are absolutely mind-blowing. It looks so realistic, almost like it was filmed with a professional, high-quality camera. On the right-hand side, you'll find more options. You can unpublish, view the video description, regenerate, upscale, convert to video, add sound effects, or even lip-sync. There's also the option to edit in Canvas, create a similar video, and of course, download or share your final result. Now, let's move on to the text-to-video feature. Just like before, the first step is to select a model. I'll choose Polo 1.6. Then, you'll need a prompt. This time, I'll let the AI generate it. For example, I'll enter baby doll and click on continue. Polo AI instantly generates 3 different prompts for me to choose from. I'll pick one and click confirm. Next, choose the mode. I'll go with Pro again. I'll also check the option for generate audio and add a soft background music track. Then comes the video length. I'll keep it at 5 seconds, choose the aspect ratio 9:16, set the video output to 1, resolution 1080p, and finally click create. After a few minutes, the video is ready. Let's play it. Once again, the results are simply amazing. It has converted a simple prompt into a realistic, professional-looking video. On the right side, you'll find different editing options if you'd like to make adjustments. And once you're happy with the result, you can simply download or share your video directly from here. Now, let's try out the AI avatar feature. Here, you can either upload an image or select one from Polo AI's built-in gallery. I'll click on Select Avatar. And as you can see, there are different categories available, like beauty, education, gaming, and more. Once you've chosen your avatar, you can either type a script or upload audio. For this demo, I'll enter a script. Next, you'll see a wide selection of voices to choose from. You can filter them by language, accent, gender, age, and even voice style. I'll pick one and select it. You can also adjust the speech rate before moving forward. Then, choose the mode. I'll go with longer mode. There's also an optional prompt field if you want to add extra guidance. Now, set your aspect ratio. I'll select 9:16 and choose the resolution. I'll keep it at 720p. Finally, just click Create. After a few minutes, the video is ready. Let's play it.
Hydrate, protect, and reveal luminous skin with the power of vitamin C.
Wow! The results are absolutely stunning. You can see how beautifully Polo AI has transformed it into a lifelike avatar. Next, let's move on to the Mimic Motion feature. Here, you can either upload your own image or choose one from the given samples. There are some handy recommendations and things to avoid listed as well. I'll pick one of the sample images. Now choose from a variety of motion templates. Once you've selected one, click on Create. After processing, the video is ready. Let's check it out. It looks amazing. The image has been perfectly converted into a lively mimic motion. Now, let's try out the consistent character video feature. Here, you have 3 image input options. 2 are optional, but 1 is required. For this demo, I'll select a sample image and add a prompt. Next, I'll set the resolution to 1080p and the video length to 5 seconds. You can also enable fixed camera for consistency. Then, I'll choose an aspect ratio of 2:3, set the output number to 1 and click on Create. After a few minutes, the video is ready. It looks stunning. Polo AI has generated a consistent, high-quality character video. Now, let's move on to the video-to-video feature. Here, I'll upload a video and explore the different video styles available. You can choose any one of them to transform your clip into a brand new style. After choosing the video style, select the output video number. I'll go with 1. You can also enable options like Style Subject Only, Custom Background, Public Visibility, and Copy Protection. Once everything is set, just click on Create and the task will begin submitting. After a few minutes, the video is ready. Here's the original video I uploaded. And now, here's the resulted video. Let's play it. Wow! It's really amazing how Polo AI has converted the original into a beautifully styled, professional-looking video. Now, let's try out the animation feature. Here, you just need to enter your prompt and then select a style. There are several animation styles available. Just pick one you like. Next, choose the motion range. I'll go with auto. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, the output video number to 1, and then click on create. The task is submitted, and after a few minutes, the video is ready. It looks truly stunning and beautiful. Next, let's explore the video effects. You can browse through different categories like new, trending, entertainment, and many more. I'll select one called Meet My Kid. Simply upload an image, click create, and after a few moments, the effect is ready. Wow! It looks wonderful. Finally, let's check out the image tools. Here, you'll find options like text to image and image to image, where you can turn your ideas or existing photos into brand new AI-generated visuals. These tools give you endless creative possibilities to experiment with, and that's it. You've just seen how powerful and versatile Polo AI really is, from creating animations, effects, and mimic motions to transforming text, images, and videos into professional quality results. With just a few clicks, you can bring your ideas to life in ways that feel effortless and truly amazing. Free users can generate up to 2 videos at no cost, while paid users enjoy the benefits of creating multiple tasks simultaneously without watermarks or copyright protection. All users, regardless of their plan, can check in daily to earn free credits. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and AI tools to explore.